Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to send the gift cards to your friends on your Slotomania game. So at first, just open your phone, and as you open your phone, open the Slotomania game from wherever it is located. And as you open your game, you're in this home screen as I am. So just stay at the home screen and look at the right top corner for that 3-bar option, and as you see it, just click on there at first. And as you click it, view the settings page. And as you view the setting page, you can see the third option, send gift card to friend. So if it's on, just leave it on, but if it's off, all you have to do is just turn it on. So guys, that's how you send the gift cards to your friends on your Slotomania game. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.